So this is another tool you can upgrade to. Super nice. I would totally upgrade. This just makes it super simple. Comes with a couple different, let me turn the box real quick. Couple different grits that you can use. So you have like a red, it's a 500 grit, and then a 240 grit. What I'm using right now is the blue 1000 grit. So this is your nice fine tuning grit. Also comes with a file as well. So if you're having rust on your edges, you can use this file to get rid of that rust. Super nice. I would upgrade. So we flip the board over. Because it's flipped, we're on this new edge. Because of that, this is now the tip. Pay attention to that. So we're gonna, again, do the exact same thing on this side. I'm using this tool this time though. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3. So make sure it's going the right direction as well. And we're gonna do the middle section. Just 3 passes. Make sure to keep this flat part nice and tight against your base. That way your edge is the same throughout all of your board. All the way to the tail on that edge. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it, we're gonna do a pass. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. So the best way to check if your board is, if your edge, is nice and sharp on your board, is to run your fingernail. I usually run just the top of my fingernail across the edge. And if it takes off a little bit of your fingernail, then you get a nice sharper edge. If you have rust on the edge of your board, you can use your file to get rid of that rust. Just be nice and careful. You don't want to file on your edges too much, especially if it's just in one spot. Make sure you're doing everything exactly the same. So on every side, you're tuning it the exact same. Honestly, the best way to take care of your gear, your skis, or your board is by wiping it down after you finish skiing so that your edges don't rust. Just wipe down, get rid of all that excess water.